Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reorder variants in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to click on products, and now after that you can see we have four variants here. So simply just click here, and now here you can see the variants available here. So how you can reorder them, simply drag it down. So if you have multiple, you can drag it one by one. After that, just click on save button, and now when you reorder them here, it will be directly appeared on your website. So simply after that, just you can open this and check out. So finally you have seen we have successfully reordered variants in Shopify.